Mihango ya uheani wa njanjo guku bururi-ini no irathie na mbere na kwambatirio ikiro thutha wa Kenya kwamukira njanjo muthemba wa Pfizer kuuma bururi wa Amerika. Kiaria hindi ya kwamukira njanjo ici mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ugima wa mwiri Susan Mochache augite mugaru na njanjo ici ingi iria ciambaga gutwarwo thitoo-ini nene mwena wa Kitengela, njanjo cia Pfizer igukorwo igitwarwo imwe kwa imwe thitoo-ini kenda guku bururi-ini.
From the regional stores, these vaccines will be transported to selected vaccination posts which have that capacity to keep them at a temperature of between 2 to 8 degrees.
Njanjo ino yarikia kuruta uhehu-ini wa -70 yagirirwo ni guikara thikũ 28.
That the Ministry of Health has advised the counties and the private sector and the faith-based health facilities, all players, that these vaccines must be deployed in facilities that can vaccinate at least 500 people per week.
Ceceni cia uheani wa njanjo guku bururi-ini ni ciuritio gutigirira ni ciandikithia Kenya aria meyumiria kwamukira njanjo mutambo-ini wa njanjo kuona kuri na imwe cia ceceni itarandikithia andu mutambo-ini uyu.
That it is important that the information is uploaded so that we have accuracy for purposes of planning and also for purposes of decision making. We want to caution very, very strongly those facilities that have not complied and are not complying, because we will move to immediately delist them as vaccination centers.
Njanjo ici 795,600 iri gatagati-ini ka njanjo milioni 2 iria bururi wa Amerika utanyitwo kuheana guku bururi-ini. Muthenya wa rucio, njanjo muthemba wa Sinopharm nitanyitwo gukinya guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa China na igukorwo njanjo muthemba wa gatano bururi wa Kenya kwamukira. Kungi nakuo ruhonge rwa NMS ni ruruguritie uheani wa njanjo kuri andu a sekta ya matatu na mihango ino igutwarithio na mbere kwa ihinda ria thikũ 3 ciukite.
Ndaigua ndagia gikeno tondu ni ndona kahinda tondu ndingihota guthie thibitari na njoke hote gwetha mbeca cia kuona mutu.
Maya mokite oriri andu 448 manyitikanite na murimu wa COVID-19 na gukinyaniria ithabu ria arwaru guku bururi-ini ari andu 245,741 ikiro kia ugwatania ikirugamira gicunji gia 5.9 hari igana andu ana magitorio ni murimu wa COVID-19 na gukinyaniria ithabu ria andu othe makwite ari andu 4,965 andu 700 makihona. Namba ya andu othe mahonete ari andu 236 169. Ngiri Kameme TV.